Hello and welcome to this week's ZTV.
I'm Liam Cook.
And I'm Logan Kinney.
To start us off on this chilly day, we have to announce an important event coming soon to CHS, Lip Dub.
Lip Dub, that's right. Lip Dub is getting ready to start. So look out for the Lip Dub posters all around the school and to give theme and suggestions. Suggestions are being submitted until the 20th and seniors will vote on the theme of the Lip Dub term in the next term of school.
And speaking about musical lip dubbing, what about the actual music itself?
That's right, Spotify Wrapped has just released their Spotify Wrapped again. But hey, how was your Spotify Wrapped, Liam?
It was pretty interesting having basic retro and pop in it. How was yours?
I didn't have one personally this year, but however, I did get to ask others about their Spotify Wrapped.
Spotify Wrapped is an annual event users look forward to in December. Here at the high school, some of our students are more than willing to share their Wrapped results.
My top artist for the year was Marcy Playground. I had about 60,000 minutes. For August, they gave me emo, skater boy, goth, mall, rap. It was really weird.
So I listened for 48,635 minutes. My top artists are The Japanese House, TV Girl, Billie Eilish, Phoebe Bridgers, and Deftones. In October, it was my Pink Pilates Princess Strut pop moment.
I had 12,000 minutes. My top artist was Coulter Wall. My weirdest month was I went through a Green Day phase in February.
My top artist was Weezer. I think total about 23,000 minutes. It was April, I believe, and it called it my softy roller skating bedroom pop phase.
My top artist was Billie Eilish. My minutes listens was 33,060.
As you can see, this year in review students' various music taste is quite an exciting event for their December month. It's always a fun treat to discover what our peers are listening to.
Those sure are some banger songs.
They sure are. On another note, we've had some people get elected for Yearbook Most Creative, being Julie Jones and Tyler Kick. Remember, yearbooks are still being sold for $75 each, and every 10 yearbooks that are sold, they release a Who's Who category.
Along with another huge shout out to Logan Henson and Liam Slather for getting picked for the All-State Jazz Band. That's an amazing title to hold, and we will compliment you and hope you go above and beyond.
Also, Logan, did you hear that our basketball season is starting up?
I did not hear about it, but we have Liam to tell us all about it.
As you may know, basketball season is really heating up lately, with the most recent being the home Zebra basketball games on the 6th against the Sallisaw Black Diamonds. Our first basketball game against Sallisaw started off fiercely in the first quarter, with the Zebras scoring a whopping 10 points against the Diamonds. During the second quarter of the game, the Diamonds made a minor comeback, but not enough to put them ahead of the Zebras, leaving the quarter at 15-18. During the third quarter, the Diamonds made a quick recovery to put them shortly ahead of the Zebras by 3 points, leaving that quarter at 29-26. Within the ending quarter, the Zebras put a fighting force against the Diamonds as they raced to the end of the game, with the ending score being 47-37. With the sheer determination and power of our initial basketball team had, our second game went amazingly well. The first quarter started off aggressively, with baskets being shot left and right and having the quarter end off with the Diamonds ahead of the Zebras by only 5 points and leaving the quarter at 16-11. The second shot off immediately with the Zebras, quickly taking the lead and racing off with the victory already in their hands, being 6 points ahead of the Diamonds and leaving the score for that quarter at 21-27. The third quarter went just as well as the second quarter, but even better with the Zebras keeping the lead and staying way ahead of the Diamond with a 10-point lead and leaving the score for that quarter at a big 30-40. The ending quarter, the Zebras kept that lead against the Diamonds and ultimately ended with the Zebras winning the game and taking home the victory. We sure dribbled right into the new season, nice and steady.
Now, I'd say we more dunked into it, but that's just me.
With more important dates coming up, our dance team is going to a state competition at the Cox Business Center in Tulsa on December 14th. It starts at 9 a.m. and lasts until 8 p.m.
We also had a winter sports assembly last week, and there were some amazing moments, like the grants given by the Claremore Public Schools Foundation. Here's a recap of everything that happened during that amazing event.
Hey CHS, at the grant assembly Tuesday, we saw a lot of the teachers and administrators receive funding for their classes and schools from the Claremore Public Schools Foundation. The total money given was $63,267.49. Imagine how much innovation opportunity is being brought into the classroom with all that money. After the grant awards, there was a basketball challenge for how many free throws each group could land in a minute. The teams are split between the basketball team and other students, and after a few hard-fought rounds, the basketball team won the challenge. After that, there was a contest for being the first person to bring a specific item to the announcer to win $1, such as a fingernail clipper. Finally, the Spirit Stick Challenge was on. After each grade screamed their lungs out, the Spirit Stick ultimately went to the juniors. The assembly concluded with the juniors celebrating their win out on the court. Back to you, Liam and Logan.
Look at all those amazing programs getting the money that they deserve, Liam.
I know, right? Everybody works so hard to ensure that the area of education is going to improve.
And if you've been getting into the Christmas spirit, you know what's coming up next.
Claremore High School has recently put on dress-up days. So Logan, why not tell us all about it?
From the dates of December 9th to December 20th, there are dress-up days happening at Claremore High School. December 9th was pajamas, and the 10th were flannels. The 11th was Christmas Character Day. The 12th is Ugly Christmas Sweater Day. The 13th will be Whiteout Day. The 16th is Grinch or Santa Dress-Up Day. The 17th is Swim Sparkles or Shiny Things. The 18th is Wear Your Favorite Christmas or Holiday Shirt. The 19th is Wear Cozy Christmas Socks. And the 20th is Ugly Christmas Sweaters once again. And students, it's been put in everybody's emails by Miss Lee, so be sure to check those emails about our holiday dress-up days and when they are. And any other possible events happening at the CHS High School. Those days sure look fun.
They sure do.
Starting on another area of information, we have the Winter Guard Tryouts happening at the CHS Band Room on December 17th and 19th from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. On the topic of tryouts, we also have auditions for the Addams Family musical being held in the PAC from December 16th through the 20th.
And also, don't forget, seniors, FAFSA is now open, and you must complete it to graduate, so make sure you talk to your parents about it and get that finished.
Now, along with grades and graduation, finals are also coming up soon. We would like to remind those about how and when you can get exempt.
Exemption forms will be distributed on Friday, December 13th and must be returned by Tuesday, December 17th. For example, if a student has 5 absences on December 13th and qualifies for exemptions, any additional absences the following week will revoke their exemption. To qualify for an exemption, students must have an A or a B, which will be based on their Block 2 grade. Additionally, students must have 5 or fewer absences for the entire semester. The only absences that will not count against students are those marked as school business or other. Final exams will take place as follows. On Thursday, December 19th, testing will be held during 2nd and 4th hours. On Friday, December 20th, testing will be held during 1st and 3rd hours. No finals are to be given early unless approved by the student's principal, and all finals must be administered during the scheduled testing hours.
Good luck to all you people out there that are working hard to get exempt.
That's all we have for you today. Have a great day and
Go Zebras!